In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable keyboard shortcuts in Trello. This task is especially useful if you find yourself accidentally using shortcuts that disrupt your workflow, or if you're using Trello in a shared environment where keyboard shortcut conflicts can occur. By the end of this video, you'll have a smoother experience without unexpected interruptions. To get started, the first thing you need to do is look towards the top right of your Trello interface. You'll notice your profile icon there. It's a small image or initials that represent your account. Clicking on this icon is the first step in accessing your account settings. Once you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various options related to your Trello account. From these options, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to a page dedicated to personalizing and managing your account settings. On the Settings page, what you're looking for is the Accessibility section, so you'll want to scroll down until you spot it. As you scroll, you'll notice a variety of settings that allow you to customize your Trello experience. Keep an eye out for accessibility features, as this is where you can manage options designed to make Trello easier to use for everyone. Once you've reached the Accessibility section, you'll see a feature specifically for disabling keyboard shortcuts. There should be a button labeled Disable Keyboard Shortcuts. This button is key to turning off those shortcuts that you might find disruptive. Go ahead and click on this button. Doing so will immediately disable the keyboard shortcuts, ensuring that you or others who use the account no longer accidentally activate them. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully disabled keyboard shortcuts in Trello. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in how smoothly you interact with the platform, giving you one less thing to worry about. In case you ever want to re-enable shortcuts, you can follow the same steps to toggle the feature back on. It's all about making Trello work best for you and your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Trello experience. Until next time. Happy organizing.